Hey YouTube! Welcome back to my channel. It is time to do another unboxing with my cat's tail, and that is my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. So this is a $26 a month subscription. You get 4 to 5 full-size products, and so far this has kind of been blowing my BoxyCharm out of the water. You'll probably see my BoxyCharm first, so let's see if this continues. Since I was a little disappointed on my BoxyCharm. Oh, this is so cute. It's so big. All right, so we got our blue foam, and then it looks like we have our Fresh Spring Beauty. So I guess this is like a fresh little spring box, which could be real cool. So let's try it out. First thing I see here is a Love Craft Beauty blush palette. It is in a shade, oh, there's shades on the back, so it comes in, I actually really like that design. I think that's pretty cool. Oh, it's the same design on the front. That's cool. So this is a little blush palette, and oh my god, the blushes are huge, and they're right up my alley. I'm gonna be really honest. I love myself a neutral ass blush, especially for my kit for brides. So we have three extreme, they look a little brighter on camera, but they're pretty muted. You have, this almost looks like a bronzer, a little bit orange, but you have Alfeda, Dauphine, which is this middle bronze shade, and Ascalia, which it looks a little pinker on camera. It's a little nuder in real life. So they're very, very muted. On this finger, that's Ascalia, which is more of like a pinky. Then you have Dauphine, which is like an orange, little bit like bronze. And then this shade is gorgeous. It's called Alfeda. It's like a light pink. And let me see if I can, I have glitter on my hands from my last unboxing, but wow, I think those are really pretty. I love muted shades. I love muted blushes. I think they work perfect for brides, so I'm actually pretty excited about this. And they're both, all three of them are very matte, so I like that too. So I hate opening this up and spoiling stuff, but that's a $39 value, so that's a pretty good value. I really, really like neutral, so that's pretty exciting. Ipsy just gets me. Ipsy Plus just gets me. I'll say that and then pull out something I absolutely hate. Whoa, this is huge. It's in a very nice box. It's by Paris Hilton. It's the Pro DNA Dual Action Cleansing Gel. But this is ginormous. I even know Paris Hilton still made products, but this is a huge full-size cleansing gel, which, to be honest, I could always use something to take my makeup off. I like things that are gentle. I like things that won't dry out my skin. I like things that get my makeup off fast. So, this smells pretty, oh, I just got it everywhere. All right, so this is like a almost jelly balm-like texture of a product to get your makeup off, which I think is pretty cool because this is huge. I didn't know Paris Hilton still made products though, so I don't know how old this could be. Let's hope not too old. But this product is $29, and it's pretty huge. I guess spring is all about taking off your makeup. Next, we have this really cool looking palette. It's called Moods by Laura Sanchez. This is a $35 palette. I really like the art design on it. Is that still, yeah, I like, oh no, it's different. I like it has like a little thing on there. I kind of liked the girl in her sunglasses, and I won't keep the box. I cannot keep that many boxes. Whoa, okay, so you have a very half muted, half very pastel-y, colorful palette with a brush. It looks like this. It's actually pretty cool. These shades look really pretty as highlighters. So let me, oh, I like the texture of it. Oh, whoa, okay. So I just swatched the two highlighters in there, and the one is very pretty. I don't know what it's called, Mamacita, but Diosa, it got this like, this is like a purple duochrome, but it got a very powdery consistency to the top when I swatched it. Let's swatch some of these shadows. So this blue, these kind of feel a little bit like Morphe shadows to me. That brown is very pigmented. So that's some of the swatches, which does not mean that that's what they're gonna look like on the eye, but I mean, they look good. They look pigmented. This pink shade looks really pretty. Okay, that's not as pigmented. of course, because it's the one I think is pretty, but I think this is a pretty cool array. I mean, definitely I could use highlighters as eyeshadows, and I feel like I could use, since this is matte, that could be a nice little transition shade. I mean, I love a good yellow. What's this brush look like? So the brush has a angled edge as well as a fluffy edge. It's not the best brush, I'm gonna be very honest, but I think are these? We're getting like the really springy, I feel like there's a couple of similar shades between like the purple especially. So we're getting our pops of purple in this month. That's the Festival palette from BoxyCharm, and this is the Moods palette for, it's actually a brand I've never heard of, Laura Sanchez, I don't know. Oh, we have the girl in her sunglasses on the back. I'm actually pretty fond of the artwork on it. It's pretty cool. Not like my end-all be-all palette, but I think I could find some cool, like, fun summer looks to create with this little palette. So we have the Galactic 3-in-1 Sparkle Balm. I have it in the shade Apply underneath a lip gloss as a topper over your liquid lipstick or the lip sparkle on its own. So it's a lip sparkle. I don't know what shade it's in, but it has like gold glitters in it. Very interesting, very interesting. Okay, so it's like almost like a jelly-like consistency with purplish glitters in it. It's very kind of odd. So it's just like shiny glitter in a crayon form, which is very interesting. I will say that. This is pretty interesting because it's just like a lip topper balm. Let me see if I put it over my liquid lipstick, what it looks like. You know what, I'll use my finger. Ooh, it really like gets pretty melty. You can see almost like the little bit of duochrome to it. I guess I'd have to like apply it on its own. Oh hell, who cares? Whoa. Makes it look very, ooh, shiny. And it's breaking all over. Wonder, huh? This is messy. Why did I do this? Why did I do this? I will have to test and play around with this because it's a little different, a little weird, a little goopy. So how much is that product? In Periwinkle and Twinkle. So I got it in Twinkle. Oh, you get two? Oh my gosh, you get two! It said Periwinkle and Twinkle. I was like, wait, I only got one, but oh my god, we get two. So Twinkle, these are weird. I feel like they're like wax, weird wax with suspended glitter. So Twinkle is right there, it's pinky, and Periwinkle is the purple. So it's $34 for the set of two. No. Yeah, strange, weird product. It's like wax with suspended glitters. Don't know how I feel about it yet. Then last but not least, we have the, oh wow, Benefit Creamy Brow Highlight. This is a strange box. I thought originally this was a brow pencil, but it is a Benefit Brow Highbrow Highlighting Pencil. Interesting. This is supposed to make my weird brows look higher. So it is a, I guess it's just like a, yeah, it's like a pink creamy brow. Let's see what happens. And I'll blend it in. Do my eyebrows look higher? Do I look stunning and ready for the catwalk? I mean, I feel like this could help shape my brows, definitely. I mean, it's Benefit brow products are expensive and they're good products to get, especially in a subscription. How much is that? Living like children, 22. So apparently this gives you younger looking eyes and you put it on your eyebrow. So I'm excited to try that. I've always wanted to try like anything brow related with Benefit. They're like so known for, so I'm excited to try that. And I I'm excited to try the palette. These two products are weird, but I'll definitely try them. I'm actually really excited for the blush palette. I love blushes. I love neutral blushes. These are seeming like they'll definitely be up my alley. And then we have the Paris Hilton cleanser, which to me is cool because it's ginormous and it has like that fancy feeling box. So all in all, I'd probably give this Ipsy about a 7.5 out of 10. First impression, you'll see my back to the box in April, but other than that, guys, this is pretty cool. Definitely like it better than my boxy, I will say that. But I just have to test out the products, but that is what I got, and I'm pretty excited about it. Guys, I hope you have a fantastic evening. Have a great one. Thank you so much for watching.